The search to find ways to look younger never slows down, and each year something new comes along to help the process. Now, over the past 10 years, Botox has been the big thing, but there's been a backlash as less invasive, more affordable treatments are developed. Linda Kincaid reports on the treatments for a more youthful look that are kinder and gentler.
The Botox backlash has begun. Hollywood stars like Terry Hatcher and Angelica Houston are leading the movement, rejecting the so-called trout pouts and frozen foreheads.
Well, more and more celebrities are turning away from Botox because it's giving them a more natural look.
From intense pulse light therapy to jet pills, microdermabrasion and enzyme muscle banding masks, these treatments all promise a youthful result without the telltale signs.
It certainly doesn't freeze the face.
Alicia Hayward from the Paramedical Skin Clinic in Melbourne recommends the jet peel.
The jet peel is a resurfacing treatment that works on the upper layers of skin to deeply cleanse. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles.
Former self-confessed Botox queen Dannii Minogue has tossed away the needle. The 38-year-old no longer wants the plastic look, using this treatment instead in an effort to turn back the clock.
During her whole pregnancy, she had the jet peel medical treatments and medical intense pulse light, and it really helped her to keep her skin looking really good because she didn't want to have any more Botox during her pregnancy. Linda, this is just a saline solution.
So this is just salt water?
Salt water, yeah. Salt water, air and oxygen combined together that blast onto the surface of the skin at 322 miles per second.
Mother of four, Katrina McCain, is giving it a go for the first time.
We're going to focus on these little fine lines here.
When you were getting it done, what did it feel like?
I felt like it was the paddle beaters. It was the noise and the feeling, but it doesn't hurt at all. It feels like I've just had a swim in the ocean.
It is fantastic for your deeper lines and wrinkles. After about 4 sessions, you do notice a marked improvement in the wrinkles around the eyes.
So it's a really simple, really minimal downtime with not too many risks involved.
Michelle Casey from Avenue Plastic Surgery treats about 20 men and women a day with a treatment known as intense pulse light therapy.
IPL predominantly is a treatment that's a light source. It's attracted to the pigment, so it brings the pigment to the surface. At the end of the treatment, you will notice that a lot of these spots here will actually look a lot darker. So that's pretty much what we're aiming for. Over the next 10 days, those flecks just get darker and darker, then they just flake away, they fall off, and you're left with fresh, fantastic-looking skin underneath.
It's natural, it's all botanical, it works and it's healthy.
A new treatment known as an enzyme muscle banding mask has been endorsed by Natalie Dempson from the Oxygen Skin Clinic in Melbourne.
The enzyme masks that we use are tightening and firming for the skin. We layer up the masks, so there's 3 different enzyme masks that we use, and we layer them up, so we apply them to work together and to intensify the actions. They have enzyme messengers in them, so when we apply them to the skin, they actually connect with the muscles and they pulsate the muscles and they work the muscles like exercising.
It's great for strengthening your skin and just a more natural approach.
Botox really interrupts the transmission of an electrical signal between the nerve and the muscle and causing relaxation of that muscle.
Associate Professor Greg Goodman from the Dermatology Institute of Victoria performs Botox injections.
If you're comfortable just being pampered a little bit, then sure, you can do other things that make your skin feel better and you feel better about your skin, but it's not going to have the same impact as something like Botox.
Your search to discover the fountain of youth is not a cheap journey. A jet peel will set you back $720 a treatment, and you'll need a few rounds. Microdermabrasion is $130 each time. The enzyme muscle banding mask, about $150. IPL costs $495 a treatment. Botox, which lasts about 3 months, costs up to $400 a treatment. Derma fillers, almost $700. Professor Goodman believes jet pills and IPL can show some marked differences, but advises to check you have a certified practitioner treating you.
The IPLs can be a dangerous device if they're used inappropriately or in the wrong hands.
And details on those treatments can be found on our website. Linda Kincaid reporting.